Welcome to the pitch. Revolutionizing content with Notion MCP. We streamline DevRel workflows from draft to multi platform publishing with AI powered automation. Our automated publishing pipeline takes a simple brief to live article on Dev and on Hashnode in seconds. It starts with drafting in Notion, moves to AI content generation with Google Gemini, review and approval, and finish with one click multi platform publishing. The core capabilities and impact empowering content teams with centralized control and scalable AI infrastructure. This includes unified control center, multi platform sync for dev, and for different platforms and robust infrastructure built on Notion MCP and Cloud Run. This demo video is about generating an article using AI and posting to different platforms using Notion Workflow and Google Gemini. This is my Notion workflow where we can control everything. In Draft, we can create articles, select the platform on which to post them, and write a brief about the article. Notion and AI will handle the rest. We can then drag the page from Draft to generate AI content, and it will automatically get handled. Here is the list of my already published articles. Here is the list of articles already published on Dev2. Here are the articles published on Hashnode. Now we can see the logs of how Notion MCP and Google Gemini will work together to generate articles and proceed with the workflow automatically. Now I am dragging the page to generate AI content section in the Notion workflow. Let's see the logs also on Cloud Run. You can see the Cloud Run is connected to the Notion MCP server for various operations like API get user, API post search, etc. Here you can see when the article gets generated, it auto moves to pending review section in Notion workflow. And this is the article generated through AI, including images for the article. It also includes Twitter and LinkedIn posts as well, which user can cut and paste in their respective social media posts. Now it's time to publish the article on selected platforms except Twitter and LinkedIn. Now you can see in the Notion workflow that article went to published phase automatically. It's time to check the article on Dave.to and Hashnode. Let me refresh the page. We must see the new published article. What a elaborative article is written with the power of Notion and AI. It also includes images generated by AI. This is how Notion MCP can be used in running such powerful workflows. In this way, we can generate as many articles with ease. By just giving a title, select publish date, select multiple platforms, and by just giving a small prompt what you want to create, this could save a lot of time and effort. Notion MCP tools works great actually.